Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 3rd of November 2024. I'll be going over my weekly weekly analysis of the option chain for Tesla, and this week is for the upcoming expiry on the 8th. Let me change that. November 8th, 2024. Now, just another note, all these values here that says -1 for this week are from 2 weeks ago because I didn't make videos last week. Now, the CE is higher and so is the PE level for the max OI, that's positive. The quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. The change is higher for CE, that's positive. The short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. And the PCR is the same. So actually I should probably change this to negative. Implied volatility is lower, that's positive. Historical volatility is higher, that's negative. RSI is higher, that's positive. Divergence, yes, that's negative. ADX is higher, that's negative. In this case, it's negative. ATR is ATR is higher, that's negative. EMAs are both higher, that's two positives. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point we can't compare, and candlestick is bearish, so that's negative. The current support is 250. The previous, 2 weeks ago, support was 200. Resistance is now 260, whereas 2 weeks ago it was 240. And the overall prediction from the option chain is that Tesla goes up. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.